Hi there. This video will show you a very simple, basic way that you can do nerve flossing. So if you have spinal stenosis or any kind of issues with your sciatic nerve, give this a try and see if it helps. So you want to start sitting on a chair. Your feet should be off the ground like this. So get something high enough, maybe sitting on a table, a high stool, or take some blocks or cushions underneath your butt to give you a little lift. So the concept behind nerve flossing is very simple. So basically we have the sciatic nerve run all the way from the foot up the back of the leg to the base of the spine, right? But it doesn't quite end there. It connects to the spinal cord. The spinal cord then goes all the way up here to the base of the neck. So in essence, the sciatic connections are all the way from the top of the neck down to the toes. So this sciatic nerve is inside a casing known as the fascia. And usually when we have issues with sciatic pain, it could be due to there being restrictions or maybe obstructions in the nerve. So maybe the fascia is getting a little bit tight or stiff, or there may be scar tissue. So there could be a number of reasons. So the idea about flossing is that we're going to move the nerve up and down through the fascia to create a little bit more ease, like a gliding motion up and down to free up the nerve a little bit and make it a little bit more mobile. So generally in yoga, we do a lot of stretching. Now remember, since it starts up here and ends at the toes, if we flex the toes, it's going to give the sciatic nerve more of a stretch. And then in yoga, we do a lot of forward bends, curling of the spine and dropping the head, which is going to extend and stretch it even more, right? Whether it's a standing forward bend or a seated forward bend, this whole nerve is kind of getting stretched and pulled. In flossing, what we do is we stretch one end of the nerve while keeping the other one slack. So keeping the neck straight, spine neutral, we're just going to lift up the leg, pull the toes back, and drop it down. So we're stretching here, and the top part is relaxed. So really basic, really simple. And then if you like to progress a little bit more, the same concept. So if we bend the knee and pull the toes back, so here on the bottom part, we're giving slack. And then at the top of the spine, we stretch. So bring the head down, chin toward the chest. And then we extend here, give slack in the neck, curl the foot back, bring the chin down. Move very slowly. No need to go fast. So this, in essence, is your nerve flossing. We'll do it a few more times. No rush, just keep it nice and easy. Move slowly. And then you will do it on the other side. Now, try it, see if it works. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it's helpful, sometimes it really doesn't make a difference. So try it out, test it on for yourself. See if it helps. If it helps, continue. Sometimes you might have to do it for a month or two. You know, you can start with maybe 10 repetitions. And, you know, if it helps, keep it up. But that was the basics, concepts, and practical ways that you could do nerve flossing to help relieve sciatic pain.